Good afternoon, friends. How about trying out this absolutely delightful fingering today? Isn't it looking gorgeous? I've made two colors in this, and I'm going to show you how to make this one today. For which project we will be needing jewelry making thread and needle, green beads, and some greyish black beads, a pair of pliers, and a pair of scissors. So let's not waste time. Let's get started and get rocking. All right. So come join me. So here we are. We have started from this green bead here. Okay. Now we take one black bead, get into this green bead, and come out through this gray bead and back into this green bead. Okay, and we do the same boxes all around. We've got 5 by 5, so here I have made 1 2 3 4 5 boxes. Similarly, you need to get 5 boxes on each line. All right, so this is how we do it. Take one black bead, get into this green bead. Now just get into this green bead and back into this green bead here. All right, and from the same green bead we take another black bead, gray bead, black bead. Okay, and get into the side of this box, the second box. Get into the side, come to the opposite bead, come to this opposite bead, now one black bead, get into this large green bead here on top, take one more black bead and get back into the same green bead that you came out from. Doesn't go if it's too tight. Just go around the box, get into the side bead here. Okay, just get into the side bead here. Alright, find a way to go around into the next box. Now take one black bead, one green bead, one black bead, and go through the same green bead from the opposite side. Okay, it's a bit tight, so we have one gray, one green, and one gray bead, gray or black, whatever you call it. Then go into this, the bead on the side, come out of it, take one black bead, get into this green bead here on top, come back to the side and get into this green bead here. Okay, this green bead here. So we've completed 3 boxes here. We have 2 more to go, this and this. So we continue doing the same thing. I am going into the side beads here now because it's so much more easier than going into this bead again and again. It becomes a little too tight. So I'm going into the side beads here. Okay, so we have one black, one green and one black, and go back. Into this bead. Okay, so now get back into this black bead here. Whichever way you can weave your needle through, just do that to form a box at every junction, because at some points the beads are very tight, so I have to find my way through a point where it's easier for the needle to go through. Alright, so now I'm going through this bead here, taking one black bead, getting back into this green bead here, taking another black bead, coming out through the green bead, large one on top, and getting into this bottom one here. Alright, so you have you have 4 boxes here, 1 2 3 4, and you need to complete the last one here. We do the same thing. Take one gray, one green, one gray, and get back into the same green bead if possible. Yeah, it went through smoothly. Go to the side bead here. Okay, take a black bead, come out through this green bead, the large green bead, and take one more black bead and come out through this green bead here. Alright, then we move on to the next row. We have completed 2 lines here. We have 1 2 3 more to finish, 3 more rows to finish. Alright, this is how it looks for now. Let's complete the remaining 3 rows and get back. Alright, so here we are, friends. 5 rows. We've got 1 2 3 4 lines only. Okay, and then we'll have to come to this point here on the back to start making the band for the fingering. All right, so this is how you go. Take 4 beads, four of these black seed beads, and get back into the same green bead. I suggest you use slightly bigger beads for the base, because we'll be weaving the top portion in and out of these green beads here, and it becomes rather tight. So I suggest you use bigger beads, and you'll also need a very fine needle. See how much trouble this is giving to get in. Let me just do that and get back. Here we are. Okay, now go up these 2 beads, take another 4 beads. Now go down these 4 beads here. Needn't go through the green bead because it's already tight, but if you can pass through it, it's fine. Otherwise, just go through these 2 beads plus the 2 beads on the side we just added. Okay, add 4 more beads. Go down through 2 beads or 1 bead, and then come back on the other side at the same level and go up through the 2 beads on the side. Okay, so this is how we go on building up our band. Let's complete that and get back. All right, so here we are, done with our band. We are finishing by taking 2 of the black beads and getting into the exact opposite second bead, third bead from either side. Okay, third bead, and 1 bead down that will be the exact center. So we finish this. Ensure that your band is not twisted and it's straight, and you enter the opposite side from the correct angle and not get your band twisted. Take 2 more of these seed beads and get into two or three beads down the band. Do the same twice or thrice and you're done. Okay. go all the way up as far as you can go. Knot it off in a couple of places and wherever possible tie up with these loose ends, the tail ends, whatever's sticking out. Okay, so we go through this and come out this side, and I will tie it up with this and we'll finish it. So friends, here we are with a beautiful bling ring. Okay, I think this is fourth or fifth in number. I hope you like it, and do try it out and share your project with me. Also, I don't see any comments, any appreciation, any suggestions, any tips. I don't get any sort of comments from any of you. Please do share your views on all my projects. Watch my videos through and through, and share it amongst all your contacts, so my subscribers go up in number, my watch hours go up in number. All right, and you can also try my projects and post it on your YouTube and monetize your channel at the earliest. All right, so please subscribe to my channel, Pandora's Crafts and Jewelry, and stay tuned for more such projects. Thank you.